Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Smriti and in today's video, I'm going to share with you some of the items that I gifted myself for the preparation of 2021. These are few items that are for my own self-improvement, self-help and also some stationeries that I really wanted to gift myself for 2021. So if you are interested, please continue watching. Also, I'm going to unbox all of them in front of you. I have not yet opened any of them except the planner. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's get started. So yeah, I'm quite excited. Let's open it. First of all, I have this parcel from Amazon. I think it's a notebook. This is the notebook that I got. It is from www.accuprints.in. They have a cute little card here saying thank you dear customer, thank you so much for purchasing and all. This is a small little card that they give. It has this hardbound cover and also it has spiral binding here. It is a ruled notebook and I like the quality of the paper. It's quite thick. And yeah, it's quite nice. I like it. Oh, there is also a section of month in a view. So you can use it as a planner as well. But I'm not going to use it as a planner. Oh, they have this habit tracker. And here there is month in a view. I didn't know when I ordered it. I just thought it is a simple notebook. To jot down any ideas, I really wanted a notebook for 2021. And that's why I got this. And I'm really happy. And it was quite inexpensive as well. So yeah, I'm quite happy about this purchase. Next up, I have this too from Amazon. Wow, काफी पतला है. Oh, I think it's a notebook from Factor Notes. Let me check. These are two notebooks that I got from Factor Notes. They are of premium quality, made in India. Factor Notes is quite a famous brand for notebooks and these kind of cute notebooks and all. So I was really interested to buy some things from there as well. It looks so pretty. These are the notebooks. I really love it. These are so handy. You can keep it in your purse and you can go anywhere. The first one has this ideas written over here and it has this bulb, cute little bulbs here with yellow and blue. It looks so vibrant. I really love it. And it has 112 ruled pages. I can jot down any idea that I get and that's why I got this. And this one is, it has this black and sunflower going on. It is so pretty and it has dotted pages, 112 dotted pages. So it is quite nice. Most probably I'm going to use it for my bullet journal and this for ideas. I'm so happy that I got them. The price mentioned over here is $1.99 each, but I think I got some discount. Next up, I got another parcel from Amazon. Let me check. I don't even remember what is there inside, but let me check. Oh, this is so big. Oh my god. I got this one. Let me share with you. I'm so happy. Oh my god. It looks so good. So these are handmade notebooks that I got from Goonj Creation. You can see here you have this pack your bags and let's go, and there is a green string and it has this cute little thing over here. This is from Goonj Creation if I'm not wrong, and oh my god, I'm in love with this notebook. These are handmade and the paper quality is so good. Let me open it and show you how to open this. These are the pages. Oh my god. The quality of the pages are so nice. Quality of the paper is so thick and so nice. I wanted this notebook to travel journal. If you don't know, I love painting and bachpan se I have been painting. I have gone to so many drawing classes and I really want to, paint again. I'll go to some places and I'll do some paintings. That's why I bought this and I'm so happy with this purchase. Can't wait to use this. Size is so appropriate. I thought it is a small notebook as shown in the picture, but it is not. It is a quite big one. So I'm quite happy about this purchase. I have another package from Amazon. Let me open it. Okay, so I got this notebook from Nourish brand, and I expected a little bigger one, but it is a smaller version. It is quite similar, I feel. The size is quite similar of this one. I expected a bigger one, but nonetheless it is of nice build quality. I mean, it's a bit flimsy than this one, but it's okay. I mean, I will manage it anyway. And it has this stay positive, work hard and make it happen, this quotations, and you get so many different varieties in this cover. Like there is floral print, there is so much different prints. I'll provide the link, you can check that out. This is a daily planner and it is undated. If you have watched my vlogs, you know that I always make my own to-do list, and I really want my days to be super organized and planned. So here there is a top 4 goals, and then it has today's schedule where you can mention the times and all, and then they have this to-do list, so you can schedule and also you can mention all your to-do list, and also you can prioritize and write your own 4 important goals for the day. So it is quite convenient, and it has this page where you can write some notes and some important calls, meals, exercise, my performance for today. So it is undated, and that's why I think you can use it whenever you want. I think it is for 90 days. It is a 90 days daily planner, and I really wanted my life to be sorted in that way, and that's why I got this one. I got these 2 things from Flipkart. Let me open this. Where is the scissor? Yeah. From Flipkart, I got myself these 2 self-help books. I really wanted to read Ikigai for a quite long time, but I couldn't. I don't know why, but I really want to read it in 2021. To be very honest, I enjoy reading, but I am not regular in reading, but I really want to build that habit and inculcate that habit in my life, and that's why I gifted myself these 2 books. It is such a hyped book. I really wanted to read and see what the hype is all about. Next up, I got this self-help book, which is Think Like a Monk by Jay Shetty. Train your mind for peace and purpose every day. I really wanted to read this one as well. Next up, I have the most awaited June Shop का Ultimate Planner. Let me open this. कल ही मैंने इसको open किया था. And first of all, I would like to comment about the packaging. I wish the packaging would have been better. It is a simple packaging, but it's quite flimsy, as you can see. But nonetheless, let's open the planner. When I opened it, it was bubble wrapped, and that's why my planner was safe. So this is the planner that I invested for 2021. I gifted myself this planner. This is a Girl Power, the Ultimate Planner. It has spiral binding over here. It has awesome build quality. The quality of this planner is really very amazing. Honestly, this is the first ever planner I have invested in. I always make my own planner, and I make my own habit tracker and to-do list and all of those, but this is the first time I'm investing in a planner. I just love the cover of this particular planner. It is so simple, minimal, and trust me when I say it, I have researched each and every planner on the market. You name it and I have it. I was in search of a planner which is budget friendly, and also it matches my vibes and my aesthetics, and this planner is something that I ended up buying. I was so confused because Indian market has so many different planners. Some YouTubers like Saloni Srivastava, Mridul Sharma, Haley Ved, everybody has their own planner. Then Space and Beauty, Factor Notes, Ink Bucket, and many more. And finally I got this one, and this is the front page. I love the font used in this particular planner, and I love the boho aesthetic that they have. I got this planner from the June Shop, which is an Instagram store, and also they have their own website. I'm quite happy, but there are some few points that I don't like about this planner. Maybe I'll do a separate video talking about only about this planner, and I'm super excited to use this planner. and make my life much more productive and planned. So yeah, I'm quite happy about this purchase. Yeah guys, if you want me to do a detailed flip through and review of this planner, do let me know in the comments below. I'll happily do it for you guys. These are all the items that I gifted myself for the preparation of 2021, and do let me know what have you invested in. Have you got your planner or everything sorted, or you are still in the process of it? Do let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed watching it and it was useful to you. If you like this video, do give it a like, comment down below and subscribe to my channel and turn on all notifications. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.